Join us as we witness Stronghold Engineering's extraordinary transformation of the San Jose Convention Center. In just 8 weeks, this time-lapse captures the remarkable journey that unfolded within these walls. Over 143,000 square feet were reborn. A $20 million project completed ahead of schedule and under budget. Cutting-edge lighting, state-of-the-art speakers, and advanced technology now radiate brilliance in every corner. A relentless commitment to safety and teamwork, our dedicated staff worked 12-hour shifts, 6 to 7 days a week, without a single safety incident. Today, the San Jose Convention Center thrives, attracting major events and saving $1.5 million annually in energy costs.